Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to stake Solana for passive income on your Phantom wallet. So the first thing you have to do is, if you open your Phantom wallet, make sure you have some Solana in your wallet. So click on deposit and click on Solana, copy this address right here, and you can also withdraw from your Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, right? So you go on withdraw and then make sure that you have some Solana in your Binance so that you can send that Solana. If we go here, we can send that Solana right here to the address, which is this address right here, and make sure to put that numbers and everything like that. Now also make sure to download the Phantom wallet if you haven't already here, and then you'll be able to go here and you will be able to click on your Solana. Obviously, if you have some money, click on Solana, and then here, as you can see, you will be able to start earning Sol rewards. Now click on start earning Sol rewards. Here you will have validators. Validators are basically big companies that will stake your Solana for you, and they will take 10% fee. So just keep that in mind. I think staking Solana is around 5.6% to 6%. So you will need to have this 10% fee in order, you will need to give them that 10% fee. So let's say we want to scroll down. We can scroll down until we see some lower fees as well. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's say we go with this validator. We can also see how many people are staking, this coin. So we can click on it. And then here we can put the amount of Sol we want to put, right? And then we can click stake. Now, as you can see, if we go here, I'm currently don't have anything to stake, but as you can see, this is how it will look like in your Phantom wallet. You can see your stake. You have 2 accounts, for example, and then you will see how many Solana you are in deposited, right? So this is basically the rewards. And then as you can see your stake, you can click on your validators and you can see your stake right here. And then you can see your stake like that as well, balance, rent reserve, active stake, and then how many rewards you have. And then you can click on stake and you will be able to collect your rewards that way. So this is pretty much how to earn staking rewards on Solana. It's really simple. Again, you will need to download the Phantom wallet, and then you can stake your Solana through your Phantom wallet like that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. After you have, obviously, after you have some Solana, you can send that Solana to a another address, which could be Binance, right? You just go to wallet or go to deposit, and then you can deposit your Solana. But that's pretty much it. This is how to earn staking rewards on Solana with Phantom wallet. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and I'll help you out. And yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next crypto time video.